Hello kids, today we are going to learn about aquatic animals. Aquatic animals, they are also known as sea or marine animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. These animals depend on water for their survival. Aquatic animals that live in ponds, rivers, lakes are known as freshwater animals. Now let's see one by one. It's a fish. Now guess what is this? It's a turtle. Wow, it's a crocodile. It's a starfish. It's an octopus. Wow, it's a jellyfish. It's a shark. Wow, it's a beautiful seahorse. Great, it's a dolphin. It's a lobster. It's a cute seal. It's a walrus. Now guess what is this? It's a crab. It's a frog. It's a orca. Now guess what is this? It's a urchin. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Okay students, bye-bye.